After 5 years of silence, one of the most beloved camera lines in history is preparing a comeback. OM System has confirmed that the OM System Pen EP8 is in development, rekindling the excitement of photographers who mourned the discontinuation of the Pen series back in 2021. That original lineup earned its place in history for blending compact, stylish design with impressive mirrorless performance, making it perfect for street, travel, and everyday photography. Now, the question isn't whether the Pen series is returning, it's whether the EP8 will truly meet modern expectations or simply ride on nostalgia. The buzz around the OM System Pen EP8 started subtly. A few months ago, during a prominent photography podcast, OM System executives were asked directly about the pen's return. Instead of a clear answer, they smiled. That small gesture caused a ripple effect across the photography community. Forums lit up, Reddit threads exploded, and social media conversations ran wild with speculation. Since then, multiple reliable sources have confirmed that the EP8 is not only real but actively in development. With 2026 marking OM System's 90th anniversary, the timing for the EP8 feels deliberate, a symbolic return for both the company and its fans. Looking at the camera itself, the OM System Pen EP8 appears poised to inherit significant technological upgrades from the broader OM System lineup. The previous pen, the EP7, used a 20.3 megapixel LiveMos sensor, which was adequate in its time but is now outdated. Meanwhile, OM System has developed more advanced sensors in its newer cameras, like the 20.37 megapixel stacked BSI camos found in the flagship OM1 Mark II. Rumors strongly suggest that the EP8 will adopt this same sensor, giving it a modern edge. A stacked BSI design improves readout speeds, reduces rolling shutter, and boosts high ISO performance, features essential for street photographers, travel shooters, and content creators capturing fast action or challenging light conditions. Image stabilization has also evolved considerably since the EP7. That model offered 4.5 stops of IBIS, a respectable figure at the time. In recent years, OM System has pushed stabilization to 7.5 stops in cameras like the OM5, with the OM1 Mark II surpassing even that. Early leaks indicate the EP8 will likely land in the 6 to 7 stop range. For a compact camera, this is remarkable. Photographers shooting handheld in low light, capturing street moments, or traveling without a tripod will find this level of stabilization transformative. It allows for sharp images and smoother video without cumbersome gear. Video capabilities are expected to receive a substantial upgrade as well. The EP7 was limited to 4K 30p, which is no longer enough for today's content creators. The EP8 could potentially deliver 4K 60p video, opening doors to smoother motion capture, slow motion sequences, and more professional-looking footage. Some rumors even suggest 6K video recording, made possible by the upgraded sensor. Enhanced codec options and the addition of a microphone input are likely, addressing one of the main limitations of the EP7 and making the EP8 more viable for hybrid shooters who balance stills and video work. Autofocus is another area where the OM System Pen EP8 could see major improvements. The EP7 relied on contrast detect AF, which worked but was not as fast or reliable as modern systems. OM System has since introduced AI-driven subject detection in newer cameras, capable of identifying humans, animals, birds, and vehicles. Reports indicate that the EP8 will incorporate this AI autofocus system, allowing for more accurate and faster subject tracking in both stills and video. For street photographers, wildlife shooters, and content creators, this could significantly reduce missed shots and increase confidence when working in dynamic environments. Design remains a core strength of the Pen series, and the EP8 is expected to honor that legacy. Leaks suggest a return to the rangefinder-inspired styling, with clean lines, intuitive tactile dials, and minimalist retro aesthetics that make the Pen instantly recognizable. The beloved color profile dial is rumored to return, giving photographers on-the-fly creative control. Weather sealing, absent in the EP7, is anticipated, making the EP8 more resilient for outdoor use. Rain, dust, and travel conditions would no longer compromise performance, a major step forward for photographers who require reliability in real-world environments. The OM System Pen EP8 is aimed at a broad range of photographers. Its compact form is perfect for those who prioritize portability without sacrificing image quality. Street photographers will benefit from its discreet design, allowing them to capture candid moments without drawing attention. Travel photographers and vloggers will appreciate a camera that can produce high-quality stills and 4K video without the burden of a full-frame or DSLR setup. Essentially, the EP8 is for anyone who wants professional quality images and video in a small, elegant, and unobtrusive package. Beginners and enthusiasts alike will find value in the EP8. It promises to be intuitive enough for newcomers while offering the depth and flexibility needed to grow creatively. Unlike cameras that feel limiting after a few months, the EP8 appears designed to reward repeated use, unlocking new creative possibilities as the user becomes more comfortable with its features. For those frustrated by the limitations of smartphone photography, the EP8 offers control, depth, and character, transforming photography from a casual activity into a deliberate, intentional craft. Ultimately, the OM System Pen EP8 represents more than a revival of a classic line. It combines cutting-edge technology, AI-driven autofocus, a modern stack sensor, enhanced video capabilities, superior stabilization, weather sealing, and the iconic pen design. It appeals to street photographers, travel shooters, hybrid content creators, and beginners alike. While the exact timeline remains flexible, anticipation is well-founded. For photographers seeking a compact, versatile, and creatively empowering camera, the EP8 promises to deliver a blend of performance, style, and innovation that could redefine expectations for Micro Four Thirds cameras in 2026 and beyond.